Haha, yes sir. Y'all already know where I'm at. Go Power Sports, baby. Best place in town. Y'all ain't know I was coming down, huh? Yep. Put my bike together. Lightweight aluminum front racing, 12-inch. Use my little 225 for right now until I get my little something I got coming built. Like I told y'all, that 10-inch, with the 10-inch rubber band tire, lightweight aluminum axle, everything back here aluminum, lightweight. To hold the bike is light. Ooh, look at that, man. Ain't forget my tank. My man Brad Hill. Most definitely gotta give him a shout out. He be killing these tanks. I appreciate you, man, for getting that tank done and shipped out so fast to me, man. And my boy Tim, who powder coated it in less than 2 hours for me to pick it back up. It's gonna be a fun little thing. Got my steering damper on there. My little lock collar piece that I made for it. My favorite, them skip tooth right here, boy. Just something to have fun on. One little 225 for right now. Big boy coming later. Believe that. But I'm here in Texas, baby. Y'all ain't know I was coming. I'm here.